Hello everyone. Today we will be going over, in particular, the whole field of computer vision within the following YouTube series playlist, where we will be covering, in particular, foundations, applications, and understanding between practices within computer vision. The way how this YouTube tutorial series is actually going to be conducted is that we are going to be going over in chronological order on key concepts within computer vision, along with the concept example to be able to apply exactly what principle that we are already given within the field of computer vision, along with a couple practice problems to be able to help solidify a given concept that we have within computer vision. So yes, if you are looking to be able to go further in depth and build upon your understanding and learning within the field of computer vision over how it's already applied within software engineering, then this playlist is for you. We will be going over, in particular, on real world examples within the field of computer vision in an organized manner. So yes, if you are planning to learn more and are excited to dive further in depth, let's get started.